67 to Poplar Bluff so we can all cruise together. It's going to be really awesome. I'm excited. Cherokee Pass. Everybody's kind of filing in, and we're gonna kind of meet everybody here, and then we're gonna head back down 67.
Oh, look at all these red rods and all these guys the same wood.
There is an awesome car show at this gas station right now. So many people have showed up to this that they're creating their own parking spaces. I love this. This thing is awesome. You want to see something cool? Watch this. That's cool. Now we have a huge traffic jam getting out of the parking lot.
This is so cool. Like, I want to do one.
keep in mind, we're not even in the thick of it yet. This thing doesn't start for another hour and a half.